Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new, welcome. This is a interesting one we're doing today. This is a Model 12 that we have here, and this one's actually been in here in the shop for a while. Some of you might recall this from a previous video. We did the service and maintenance on this. We took it all apart, cleaned everything, put a new cord on it. The usual maintenance on it. After it was done, the owner decided she wanted to change the color on it. So, waited a while for her to pick the color, because sometimes, colors take a while to select. I mean, there's so many choices. So she settled on a color. The color that's going on here is called Peeka Blue, which is a transparent blue, and it's shot over a chrome base. So it should be a really interesting look on here. It should be a nice color blue as well. But anyway, since this one's already been disassembled and reassembled in the previous video, I'm going to speed the disassembly along on this, and then we're going to come back and probably speed up the assembly as well, and then we'll just show off the final finish on here when it's all done. So without further ado, let's cue the music and get this thing apart. Okay, so here we have our finished product. We've got this one completely put back together now. We've got our decals on here, which unfortunately they don't show up as well as they do on a lighter color, on these darker colors, but I mean, it's still visible and you can see it. We did this right here, was pretty dented up. We took it down, polished it up, took this down as best as we could. I mean, now it just looks like some scratches in there, but unfortunately the only way to really take dents and dings out of something like this is to take off enough metal till you get down to the bottom of those dings, so you're actually taking off quite a bit of metal, and we couldn't really take off that much, but it does look a lot better on there right now. We've got our speed dial lettering done here. And let's go ahead and turn it on and run it through the speeds and see how she sounds. Being it's Model 12, you'll hear it slowly going up on high speed till it gets to its maximum speed. These 10s, 11s, and 12s, they seem to do that. I'm not sure why. But as you see, the color came out nice on it. It's a really cool blue color. I mean, you'd be hard pressed to know it's a two-stage, transparent blue over chrome, but it just gives it a really nice look on here. So this one's all ready to go. We're going to get this packed up and invoice the owner, and I'm sure she'll be happy to have this one back since it's been here for a while. But anyways, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. If you have if you want to see other videos that we have coming up, if you want to get notified of them, go ahead and subscribe so you get the notifications. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and let us know what you think. We appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.